Every time I think of this, my heart melts. The Prophet ﷺ said that on the day of judgment, the believers will be waiting and waiting, and it will be so long. And Prophet Muhammad ﷺ says that I will ask my Lord for permission to enter his presence, and I will be granted permission. And then he says, when I see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I will fall down into prostration before him. And I will stay in prostration for as long as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wills. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will teach the Prophet ﷺ that he's never praised him before with. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will tell the Prophet ﷺ, "Oh Muhammad, lift your head and speak, for you will be listened to, and intercede, for your intercession will be accepted. And ask for anything, whatever you ask for will be granted." Now think about it. He could ask for anything, right? What does he ask for? He's thinking about you. He goes and he says, "Ya Rabbi, my ummah, my ummah. Oh my Lord, my nation, my followers." And so the Prophet ﷺ says that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will tell him that he is allowed to go and find the members of his ummah and enter them into paradise. The Prophet ﷺ says that he will go and take the people out of the hellfire that followed him and enter them into paradise.